Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or photo on Motorola Moto E6 Play, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find system settings. Tap on languages and input, select virtual keyboard, click on the Gboard, and right now go for the theme. Then we have to tap right here. Right now we are able to take our favorite picture. I'm going for this Timo from League of Legends champion, and we are able to scale the picture. So I'm going to take this part, click next. Right now we are able to set up transparency of our photo. I'm going for 78%, then click done. And if you want to see the background more clearly, you can turn off the key borders. Then you have to apply. And right now we can open our keyboard, for example in the messages. And as you can see, that's how our keyboard has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.